Hola maestros y maestras. Today I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the wonderful, wonderful website Newsela. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sign in and look for Newsela. There it is. All right. Newsela Instructional Content Platform. All right. If you haven't set up an account, don't worry. It's super easy. We're just going to go ahead and click sign in and just use your Google email. Hit Google. Pick your email that you wish to use. I'm going to use my NVUSD email. And voila, you're all set to go. All right, so the most current article will be on the front page of Newsela. And then down at the bottom, you'll have other articles. You can scroll down, but I don't like doing that. I like to go right to the latest news, the most current articles. All right, there's different ways you can choose an article. You can you can narrow down your choices by picking elementary, middle school, or high school. You can do by text level, or you can do by reading skill or reading standard. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and narrow my searches and go to lower elementary school. And that's all I'm going to narrow it by. All right, so now you scroll down and you look for the article that you think your students might want to read. It's a great way to keep your students informed of the latest news. All right, I see one here that catches my eye. It's McDonald's to swap plastic straws for environmentally friendly option. My students will probably want to read this. Go ahead and click it. Now, go ahead and survey your article. You can see how long it is. You can see the power words it has. Official, influence, great words for my fourth graders to learn. All right. Also, go up here to the top and click on the lexile. As you can see, this article goes as low as 400 lexile and as high as 810 lexile. I'm going to pick if I was a student, I would pick this lexile. So every student is going to pick their own individual lexile. So one article, so basically what they're going to be doing is reading the same article, but they're going to be reading it at their level. Okay. Once they have an article, they can do the open activities, which include like power word questions. They can write to the article, and they can even take a quiz to the article. Okay. Lots of good stuff in Newsela. All right, teachers, this is the most easiest way to assign an article. You're not going to have to do copies anymore like we used to. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and click share and send it right to their Google Classroom platform. Each individual will get the article in front of them on their Chromebook without you having to make copies. Okay, Google Classroom is set. Choose your class. Which class do you want to assign this article to? I'm going to do it to my demo class. Choose an action. I am going to create an assignment. Remember, you can also ask a question or make an announcement. We are going to create an assignment. All right. Hit go. And voila, there it is. Put a title. I'm going to put a short title, McDonald's article. Instructions. Read the article. Read the article. Do the activities. Oops, I misspelled activities. Do the activities on the side. And mark done when you finish. And that's it. You can also select a due date. I'm not going to select that. And you can also put in a topic. We're not going to do that. Your article should be here ready to go. The only thing you have to do is click assign. and your students will receive it. That's all. Hasta la próxima.
Hasta la vista.